Good morning, guys.
Hi, Missy.
Hi. Guess what we're gonna do today? You gonna tell him, Missy?
We're going to the beach. Woo! Okay.
Woo!
Woo!
She's excited, and then she's not so excited.
My hair looks terrible.
Baby, 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 baby. Luggage. Of course, there's got to be a book.
Pulling my hair out.
You guys are dirty. I'm gonna have to clean your lens. You're dirty. You can't see with dirty eyes. Hi guys. What happens when you mash the wrong button? Surprise doctor time. Story of a girl. I'm gonna stop it. Well, guys, as you can see, we're not at the beach because we
Slept all day.
No, our plans got canceled for us. So. No, those are munchies.
Deal relish for what? Your pickle?
Oh, it's from work.
You have bobby pin. I needed because my hair's a hot mess.
You like the hair? Okay, on the side, it's big poofy. I don't know why. Like, I mean, it. You can see how poofy it is. Oh, it kind of bugs me. Begin. Sad face. Oh, I go to the beach. That's not really a sad face. It's more of a what kind of face. Well, guys, apparently I like telling you good night in the parking lot. It is now 2:30-ish. Looks really good there. See the time. But, yeah, I'm going to go into the store and buy some things, and then I'm going to go home, and then I'm going to go to sleep. So, just good night, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Ik geloof het. Ik geloof.